Bro, I can't do this, Christina. You're gonna have to drive it back, bro. Like I'm nervous.
K-band. K-A-band. Laser.
What's up, car gang? So I gotta be real quick with my intro because of course I'm not late, but like I didn't make room to make the intro or make time to make the intro. I don't know, but I'm meeting up NateNation today and I'm gonna be teaching him how to drive my car, aka how to drive stick. Just waiting for Nate. One of the many things I love about Tim Hortons, this is a call to get sponsored, is the generosity. Every time. I never go and buy napkins. About time, Nate. Say hi to NateNation, guys.
What's the deal, guys?
We're about to cross the border real quick and we're gonna head to Mexico, and that's where we're gonna be not drifting the Z. We're gonna be driving the Z.
I'm kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but hopefully I don't screw her car up. I was praying last night, watching some YouTube videos, but it's hard.
Yeah. You guys, we got major construction going on, so this is gonna be a longer drive to Mexico. But we got Nate behind us, as you can see. Nate driving my car really reminds me of the time when I was in California, and I was really nervous because yeah, I've driven like manual like 2-3 times before that, and Ford sent me out to test out the new Bullet, and I was like shaking when I was pressing down on the clutch. It is a pretty heavy clutch, but oh my god, we got like an AMG GT, like, oh my god, and we have a 370 all the way in the back. I peeped that. Oh my god, I can't wait till I pull up. But anyways, damn, that shit is nice. Okay, and yeah, and I was so scared because I didn't know really like how to drive much, and it's a Nismo too, and yeah, so I was like really shaky. So like I kind of feel for Nate. That's why I'm like letting him, because like I've experienced that. Let me show you the. Do you guys see that? All right, guys, we arrived in Mexico, and Nate parked his car right here because he's about to whip the Z, as you can see.
After you give him a tutorial.
After I give him a tutorial.
Like, I know you guys are about to be laughing at me in the comments, but it's all good, man.
It's okay, it's all love. Oh shit. All right, tutorial, here we go.
Little tutorial.
Quick tutorial. So, this is already gonna be down for you. This is the e-brake. You need it.
E-brake.
Yeah, you need it because your car's in neutral. So if this wasn't a flat surface, your car would have been rolling right now. Right. Okay. So watch my feet. This is the clutch, obviously, right? Mm-hmm. Brake, gas like normal. Right. So you're not touching any of that. With your left foot, you're putting it all the way down. All the way down. Like you gotta touch the ground.
All
and
the way
then
down.
you gotta go in first gear.
So that's first gear.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, so now this is where I take my right foot and slowly push it on the gas while I'm lifting my other foot. Okay. At the same time. You can just start pressing the gas however you want, like that. And then when you want to switch gears, it's not a short throw, so like you can tell if you're in first, second, third, or fourth. Like it's not like if I'm all the way here, and you obviously know this is first because this is not the middle. Right. Right? So it goes first, and then second, and then third, and then fourth, and then fifth, and then sixth. So you only have 6 gears? Yeah. Okay. So first. Yeah. Second. Yeah. Third. Yeah. Fourth. Yes. And then fifth, and then sixth. Yes. Okay, so it goes like in a. Okay, I got it. Yeah, and then this is how you know you're neutral. When it moves side to side, that's how you know you're in neutral. Okay. So let me move the car real quick. All right, you guys, please pray for me. I don't know how this is gonna go, truly, but as long as you're careful. Like we're switching. Here you go. Yeah. Before I even drive. Yeah. With my foot on the clutch first. So it's all the way down. Yeah, so your foot's all the way down. And I put it in first. Yeah, so all the way to the left and then up. Okay. Now it's in first. Yeah. Now I slowly let go of the clutch. That's too fast, too much gas. Too fast, okay. Oh my gosh. Too much gas again. Start letting go of the clutch a little bit before you press gas. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. Don't let go of the clutch at all though. Like, do I like go like halfway? Like see, that's the problem. So I have a racing clutch, so it's very fuzzy. It's not very it's like very like weird for like imps. Plus like I'm like new. Exactly. It's gonna be, like, very weird. But I learned on this car too, so don't worry. Okay, wait. All right. So slowly let go of the clutch.
ease into the gas?
Yeah. Yeah.
I swear I don't know what I'm doing. I swear I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Oh my god, this is gonna be good.
No. Okay. Alright. Again, let's try this again.
Okay, we gotta try this, you guys.
Slowly let go of the clutch. Gas at the same time. Gas slower. Okay. Okay, start letting go of the clutch more. Slowly. Slowly. Okay, you're about to start moving. You're supposed to start moving.
I was about to start moving?
I felt it.
Oh, wait, that's too much gas?
Yeah.
Just a little bit of gas?
Yeah.
Oh, I just stalled it.
Oh, you're moving.
Okay, then now when do I change gears? Like,
so you only change gears when you're going faster. So right now you're going at a good speed.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm so nervous, bro. I feel like I don't want to.
Careful.
Okay, wait. So when I change into second gear, what do I have to do?
So you're gonna press the clutch back and let go of the gas.
Okay.
Do it right now.
Let go of the gas.
Press the clutch in.
Okay.
All the way in.
Okay. And change it.
And then second, yeah, go into second. That was too much. You're supposed to slowly let go.
Bro, I'm doing terrible, bro.
It's okay.
Now how am I? Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna stop, bro. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out right now.
Okay, stop. Put the clutch all the way and let go of the gas.
Okay. Stop with the clutch.
Yeah.
So,
no gas, and then put the clutch all the way in.
wait. So put the clutch all the way in right now.
Let go of the gas.
Okay.
Let go of the gas. Put the clutch all the way in.
Okay.
Okay, do it. Okay, are you all the way in?
Yeah.
Okay, now put it in neutral.
Neutral.
Just in the middle. Right in the middle. Okay. Now you can let go of the clutch.
Okay.
And now you're good. Now you. Oh, there's a car behind us, guys.
I didn't like mess anything up or like.
They're mad. Sorry.
Bro, how did I do? Be honest.
Oh, they're all mad. You're doing
I didn't do that
okay.
good.
No,
No.
because I was. No, it's okay.
Bro, that. Oh my god, I'm
It was your
freaking
first
out.
time.
Bro,
I
you gotta
was
drive
gonna
it back.
install.
You gotta drive it back. Wait, I didn't install it?
Huh? No, you were about to.
It just feels weird when like it starts to like move,
I know,
like it starts to
I know,
shake. Is
I know.
that how it should be? Or
When it's your first time, yeah. But when you get used to it, no, it shouldn't be like that. It should feel like you're driving an automatic. Like, well, the passenger, you know?
Bro, I feel like I did it so bad, bro. Like,
No, it's okay. It's okay.
I'm so nervous right now, you guys. I'm freaking out.
Don't touch the gas at all.
Okay, so first gear right now.
Okay.
Is that first gear?
Yeah, and slowly let go of the clutch.
Slowly let go of the clutch.
As you're pressing the gas.
As I'm pressing. Okay. Is it gonna go?
Now that's when you stalled it. So the car turned off. So the car just turned
Bro,
off.
I can't do this, Christina. I swear I cannot do this. Bro, like this is embarrassing, guys. I know I'm about to get cooked in the comments. I'm about to get roasted. Bro, I can't do this, Christina. You're gonna have to drive it back, bro. Like I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. But hey, at least I tried. I don't even know like how I stalled it. Like
because you let go of the clutch too fast. I was gonna say.
You guys can't cook me.
He's gonna give it one more go. You got
try.
this though.
Try,
That's
okay.
okay.
I think I got it down pat though, okay?
That's good to hear.
Alright, you guys, pray for me. Alright, so this is easy now, I feel like. So clutch all the way down.
Yeah. Can you feel the floor?
Yes.
Okay.
Drop it in first.
Yes. Slowly let go. And even when you're moving, you're still on the clutch.
Even when I'm moving, I'm still on the clutch. Yeah. So I never fully like really
You do fully let go, but you're still slowly letting go.
Okay. Slowly let go. You think it's gonna start moving?
Not yet. You're still slowly like.
I swear it's not moving.
You gotta keep slowly letting go.
This is so nerve-wracking, bro.
I know.
Okay, let's retry that.
Okay.
Slowly let go of the clutch.
And press gas at the same time.
Too much gas.
Slowly press gas. Slowly let go. Yep, you're starting to move. So slowly let go of the clutch. Still keep pressing gas. So you got it. That was perfect.
Keep pressing gas.
Keep pressing gas.
Now
keep letting go of the clutch.
Do I like go of the clutch?
Yeah. You're good now.
Okay.
That was a perfect. What's it called? Start. First gear start. That was perfect.
I mean, that was actually pretty good.
That was perfect.
All right, now I'm gonna.
Okay, so be careful. Let go of the gas.
Okay.
And then press the clutch in.
All the way in again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or is the clutch all the way in?
All the way in.
And then second gear. Okay, well now you're coming to a stop
now
again.
I'm coming to a stop. Okay.
So now you gotta restart.
Oh my gosh.
Don't let go of the clutch.
Okay.
Okay, slowly gas.
Let's retry it again. Okay.
Slowly.
slowly gas.
And then slowly let go of the clutch. Very slow.
Very slow.
You start feeling it when it's engaging, and then you keep like fighting it back because it starts wanting to push off your foot.
Yeah.
Keep doing it.
It's ridiculous.
Yep. Keep letting go slowly. Keep pressing gas. You got it. That was perfect. That was perfect.
Really?
Yep, that was perfect.
I got it?
Yep.
Yo,
we can't stop for you. Sorry. We can't stop for you. Literally, we're learning how to drive.
We're literally learning how to drive. Alright, so it's in first gear right now. I'm gonna literally stomp the clutch all the way down.
9 RPMs. Okay.
Oh my god.
So clutch all the way in.
Okay.
Let go of the gas.
Let go of the gas.
And then go in second gear. Make sure you're in second gear.
Okay. Clutch all the way down.
Yeah. No, that's in neutral.
Okay.
So is the clutch all the way down?
Yes.
Okay. Now slowly let go of the clutch and press gas before you come to a stop.
Slowly let go of the clutch.
Yeah, keep going. Press gas. There you go.
Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
There's cars behind us. You guys.
Christina, you're literally the goat for letting me even do this.
Of course.
Okay, now I'm fully off the clutch right now. I'm just gonna drop it in freaking
neutral. Yeah.
So how do I do that?
So put it in the middle.
Okay, just like that.
Let go. Put it in the middle, like this way.
Wait, you gotta do it.
And now you can start braking.
Oh my gosh, I think I got the hang of it though. Not really, but I mean, at least I learned how to do it a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna like stop it like right here.
Okay.
I don't know what else to do. Hey, but comment down below how you guys think I did. Second time ever driving manual. The first time I literally drove it for like 2 seconds and then I got scared and then I just like stopped doing it. But
he got some perfect, what's it called, starts and a perfect shift. Okay shift.
Okay shift.
Yeah, I mean, second gear shift.
No, that was pretty terrible.
So let me tell you, the first and second gear are the hardest to shift with. And then once you're like on a main road and you're going from third to fourth to fifth to sixth, you don't have to let go that slow. You can literally let go of the clutch and it's like you're like fine. Yeah, so once you're like moving faster, but it's those starts that get hard.
Yeah, I think I did pretty good, bro.
Yeah.
I
agree.
I don't care what you guys comment. I already know you guys are gonna start roasting me. Oh, you're not a real car guy. You can't even drive a manual. I don't want to hear it. Okay, I don't want to hear it.
He did it, and you guys saw it on footage. The wildcat was laughing at Nate. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Thanks, Nate. Now you made me want to replace it sooner. He said he's about to break out. He got a bunch of dirt on his face because he's touched his wheel.
You know how hard it is to get such clear skin?
No, I know the struggle.
It's terrible. I'm about to break out.
So as we mentioned in Nate's video, NateNation, peep the banner, we're about to hit up Woodward real quick. We're gonna meet up with the Stang, aka Grant, aka the other half of Car Gang's channel. So yeah, we're gonna chill and I'll show you guys a few cars and then I'm gonna close out the video. And there's a cop sitting there.
Literally a cop watching us.
So we don't know why, so we're just recording.
Hey, how did you do this right here?
He thinks we're gonna drag race. Alright, there's a cop following us for no reason. I got Nate right behind me. Obviously Nate's car is way louder than mine. He's right over there. Do you guys see that? I'm being lasered. Sorry Nate, you're gonna have to deal with that tailgation right there. Keep Nate. So as you can tell, we clearly made it to Woodward because my radar keeps going off. There's the cop. Obviously my radar won't stop going off, but we got both Charlies and then Camaro behind. We forgot our masks. That's just
reality now.
That's what reality is now. Sad but true. We about to go eat some gas station food.
I'm hungry. So
I am too. To order some food. Where's Nate? Pizza box to himself. He also got a cake batter milkshake. I got cookie dough and that looks so good. Guys, they definitely stole us from a carnival ride. Like, I don't even know. Ooh, peep that M4 in the back.
Where did you even get that from?
Look at this GTR. It's so nice. Look at all these classic cars passing by. Oh, they're all together. Oh, look at the Batmobile. Oh my god. The Batmobile. Look at those headlights. I love them. Check out this Alpha 4C. Super sweet. Guys, we are going back to our cars because we are tired and we gotta upload these videos.
Are you sure you don't want this?
I'm positive.
I appreciate the gift.
You could have half a cookie.
It's actually like 75%.
Yeah.